Welcome. Today, we're diving into the cozy world of knitting, specifically how to create your very own winter beanie. This isn't just about crafting, it's about making something warm, personalized, and uniquely yours. Let's get started. First, gather your essentials. You'll need yarn. Choose a warm, durable wool or acrylic blend. The amount varies approximately. 100 to 150 grams is a safe bet for a standard beanie. Knitting needles are next. Circular needles, typically size US 7 to 9. 4.5 to 5.5 millimeters, are ideal. You'll also need a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle for weaving in those loose ends. Finally, a stitch marker can be incredibly helpful for tracking rounds. Begin by casting on. Using your chosen needles and yarn, create a slip knot. Place it on your left hand needle. The number of stitches you cast on will determine the beanie's circumference. A good starting point for an adult-sized beanie is around 80 to 100 stitches. There are many ways to cast on the long tail. Cast on is popular for its ease and elasticity. Cast on your desired number of stitches, ensuring they aren't twisted on the needle. Next, join to knit in the round. Carefully bring the two ends of your cast-on row together, ensuring the stitches aren't twisted. Begin knitting the first round. Knit every stitch. This creates the ribbing, which gives the beanie its elasticity. Knit this ribbing for approximately 1 to 2 inches 2.5 to 5 centimeters. Switch to the main stitch pattern. Often, this is stockinette stitch. Knit every stitch. Continue knitting in the round until your beanie reaches the desired length. Generally about 7 to 8 inches. 18 to 20 centimeters from the cast-on edge to the top of your head. Now, it's time to decrease to shape the crown. The method varies, but a common approach is to knit 2 stitches together. K2 tog every few stitches in a round. The goal is to reduce the number of stitches, gradually causing the top to close. Decrease evenly around the round. Continue decreasing every other round until you have a few stitches remaining. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail of about 6 inches 15 centimeters. Thread the yarn tail onto your tapestry needle. Pass the needle through the remaining stitches. Then pull tight to close the top of the beanie. Weave in those ends. Turn the beanie inside out, and use the tapestry needle to weave the yarn tails into the fabric, making them secure and hidden. Trim any excess yarn, and there you have it, a handmade winter beanie. Remember, the beauty of knitting lies in the process. It's about creating something with your own 2 hands, stitch by stitch. With a little practice, you'll be knitting beanies like a pro. Happy knitting!